Hello Bladers! Thinking of creative ways to upgrade your car? Making a statement is one way to show our personalities. Aside from our clothes, we also make statements with the things we own, and cars are no exemption. From the inside and out, you can turn a basic boring car to a pretty, fun, and dashing look. While the personalization of your ride is not always cheap, there are affordable ways to add your own character to it without spending too much money. But if you really have the cash to spend, then sky is the limit. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 5 easy ways to pimp your ride. Number 1, Posh It Inside. You read that right. Posh it from the inside. Before we go to the exterior upgrade, you may want to take the consideration of upgrading the steering wheel, floor mats, seat covers, and even mobile accessories inside your car. There are several items are available and affordable at the same time, only at the reach of your fingertips. Number 2, music engines. Feel free to change or upgrade the radio and speakers of your car. Whether you like the music loud or mellow, upgrading to a good sound system is one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Number 3, spill a customized paint job. As it certainly makes the biggest statement, of course this is not the most affordable option. However, you can look for paint jobs that are more low-key, close to the existing color of your car now. But then if the sky is the limit in terms of your budget, then go for that change of color that you want. Keep in mind that you must first consider how a professional does paint jobs and make sure that it's worth all your penny. Number 4, get a personalized plate. Personalized plates can sound basic, but it does make a support statement on your customized ride. Personalized plates can range from affordable to expensive, depending on the number of letters or digits you choose. Number 5, upgrade your wheels. Get those wheels you've been dreaming to have. Lights, no lights, change of mugs, replacing your wheels into car racing wheels? As long as these modifications are considered in your pimping the car budget, then they are good. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.